what's up, everybody? This is our very first cooking show, baby. That's right. We're about to hit it big time. You better watch out because some of the food you're going to be learning in this kitchen is going to be unlimited taste. It's just going to be so good. You're going to love it. Tonight, we are making some Cajun pasta, baby. One of my favorite of all time. So, I'm going to show you the ingredients right now. I'm going to go through it. Make sure you have this. You're going to want all of it because you don't want to miss out on any of this. All right? First things first, you're going to need some chicken. That's right. Old McDonald had some chicken. Make sure you go get it. Make sure it happens. You got your summer sausage. Now listen, I know Trez is looking at this, already thinking about the good stuff. It's summer sausage, Trez. That's it. You put it in there, you eat it, that's it. Anyway, you got your peppers, green and red. Green is good, red is bad. Not in this case, baby. In the cooking kitchen, we're ready to go. We're ready to make it happen. Green and red, peppers. You got your whole whipped cream. Heavy, not whole, heavy. Jesus Christ, heavy whipped cream, okay? I just work you. Parmesan cheese, right? Yeah, Parmesan cheese. You're gonna be sprinkling that on there as well. You got your chicken broth. Make sure you have enough of that. So Walmart was a little short on noodles, but you're gonna get your bow tie noodles. Okay, these are a little mini. They're still gonna do the job for you. We got our Cajun sauce. The perfect pinch is what it's called. I don't know, it's Cajun sauce. You can even get Old Bay, something like that. This is number one. Make sure you get it. It's good stuff. Get some parsley, your salt and pepper, and then baby, we're gonna be rocking and rolling. Let me tell you right now. So listen, this is how this is gonna work. We're gonna cut this up into segments. Part one is done. You've got your ingredients, the Cajun pasta. It's gonna be great, baby. Stay tuned. In 15, 20 minutes or so, we'll come back, we'll cut this up, and then we'll get cooking. Welcome back, everybody. I know it may have seemed like a long time, but let me tell you, I got all this done like that. But baby, it's time to heat it up in this kitchen with your boy, my boy. I hate that, but I just said it. We're gonna go with it, okay? I'll cut it out. All right, it is time to add the chicken to the skillet. Let's go, come on with me. We've got the chicken all cut up, we got the sausage cut up, we got the peppers, the garlic, the salt, everything's ready. Let's do it, let's add it. All right, so here, we got our chicken nice and cut up, nice and small pieces. Now here we go, we're gonna add it to it. God dang! Oh, that's how you add chicken to the pot, all right? Make sure you spread that out real nice and good. Oh yeah, she's cooking good now, folks. We'll add the sausage here in a minute. Come on back now, you hear? Ooh, don't that look nice, folks? Welcome back. As you can see, the chicken is getting there, but you don't want to cook it completely done, right? That's the key thing about this. Overcooked chicken can be pretty rough, right? You saw that we had some oil into there at the beginning. That's what that spark, the burning of my hand happened. But now it's time to add the good stuff, right? Here's where the flavor comes in. You got your sausage. Now the key thing about this, it usually comes in the circles, right? Cut it like a pizza, 4 corners kind of thing, you know, where it's just kind of like side like that. You're gonna be good. Obviously, I cut my peppers really, really small. We're gonna go add this. Let the chicken continue to cook. We add in the sausage. We add in the peppers. Now, as you can see, that added a lot of color to this right here. And now you're just gonna stir it in, chat. Let it all marinate together. Let the power flow, the flavor flow through the chicken, through the sausage and pepper. We're gonna let this cook pretty well, and then we'll be back. Hey, do you smell that, chat? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I know you can't wait to try it, but I'm ready for it too. But now it's time to add some more flavor to this. This is just great, amazing. You're gonna like it. Here we go. All right, first things first. We're gonna add some garlic, baby. Lots of garlic here. To be honest with you, about 2 tablespoons of garlic. I like garlic. Even though I would love to be a vampire, they don't like garlic. So if you over there in Louisiana, that would probably be a good little thing for you. All right, we got salt and pepper. Salt and pepper here. We're just gonna sprinkle lots of salt and pepper. We may have a stroke. Good Lord, that's enough. Now we're gonna get the Cajun seasoning. Now here, obviously, this is where you get your bang for your buck, baby. We're gonna take it, open that bad boy up, and don't be shy, chat. A lot will go a long ways. I know it's little goes a long ways, but you know, fuck it. This is my kitchen. A lot goes a long ways, so we're gonna make it good, baby. We're gonna make it good. All right. So now we're gonna go and get our chicken stock here. All right. Now
nobody's been drinking.
No, nobody's drinking, Chad. Here we go. Chicken stock. This is 3.5 cups. Okay, 3.5 cups of chicken stock, chicken broth, whatever the hell you call it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good stuff there, Chad. Chilled it out just a little bit. Now, you're gonna take 2 cups. No, before you unload. All right. You're gonna take 2 cups of heavy cream. Okay? Heavy cream. Shabam. Shabam. Okay? Mix it up a little bit. Now, chat, you're gonna see the color. The color is really what, truthfully, you want to make sure it has that orange, a little bit of white to it there. That's how you know you've added enough seasoning, in my opinion. Make sure you mix up the garlic, mix up that seasoning really well. And then, here's the kicker. You're gonna add your pasta to it right away. So don't cook your pasta beforehand. You want it to cook with it, okay? So here we go. Let's go get your pasta. This is the minis. I prefer just the big bow ties, but this is the minis. And then pour that son of a bitch in there. Bingo, bingo.
The whole thing?
Whole thing, baby. We want it all. And then make sure you get them in there, obviously, right? You want to make sure they're well and cooked. And then once you get them all in there, chat, you're going to let this baby sit about medium heat, roughly, right? Medium heat. Let this baby sit, cover it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to come back. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese to it and some parsley, and then we're going to try this, baby. It's going to be good. I'll see you in a few. Ha! All right, welcome back, guys. We are literally just moments away from this timer going off, and we're going to be adding the Parmesan cheese and the parsley to add that nice little thickening point. And there it is, right on the dot. I tell you what, it's like we filmed this ahead of time or something like that. Come on, let's go take a look at the pasta now. Are you ready for this? Wow, oh baby, there it is. The noodles are looking good, peppers look good, sausage, good stuff right there, good stuff right there. All right, let's get the cheese. Now, so listen, I'm doing 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. This is gonna help thicken it up a little bit here. Obviously, it's gonna add some good flavor as well. Okay, there's the power. All right, here we go. And now we add the cheese, baby. Yes, yes. Very nice, very nice. Mix that in nice and good. So again, this is really gonna help with your thickness, right? So during your cooking, you may be like, wow, this is kind of watery, everything like that. It's not. When you add this cheese to it, everything really thickens up. And boy, when you pull it out of this pot, it's gonna just be like stringy and that's probably a terrible image. Never mind. It's gonna be really good, chat. You're gonna really like it. Mix it in there nice and good. And now let's add that parsley, right? Even though it's just for looks, you gotta have that good look. You gotta have that good look, baby. All right, mix that in. Now you're gonna lower the heat down to low, right? Let it simmer, roughly, 5-7 minutes. And then after that, prepare to have a taste of heaven from Cajun, Louisiana. Be right back. Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, it's time to chow down, baby. Bingo! It's done. Look at this beautifulness right there. I tell you what, as you can see the peppers nicely blended in with those noodles, along with the sausages, and of course you got some breadsticks to kind of help you out. Now I don't know about you, but I like to have a little wine with my little Cajun pasta. Of course we have our wonderful beer fruit.
Why is the wine gone?
Why is the wine gone? Sunshine. But anyways, we're gonna have some of the wine as well. But listen, let's dig in. Let's figure out what we got going here. Here we go, chat. Let's eat it together. We're gonna get the noodles. We're gonna get the peppers in there, and we're gonna get the sausage in there as well. Here we go. All together now. 1, 2, and 3. Oh God. Oh yeah. It's so good, chat. Listen, you're gonna love it. If you've never made this before, you did it the right way, baby. Watch this video again and again and again. Make it over and over and over. Because, baby, my boy's pasta is so banging good. Thank you so much. Have a good night, chat.